Imagine taking your Q&A and development workflow to the next level, automating repetitive testing, uncovering performance issues before they hit production, and shipping more reliable software with confidence. With Cypress, JMeter, and xUnit, you can build complete open source testing pipeline that ensures your application is functional, scalable, and rock solid under pressure. I'm Karlis Zars, and I'm excited to introduce you to open source Q&A, Cypress, JMeter, and xUnit testing, exclusively on Coursera in partnership with Starweaver. This course is your hands-on guide to mastering essential Q&A tools used by developers and testers around the world. Whether you are a Q&A engineer looking to automate tests, a developer aiming to improve code reliability, or a team lead standardizing testing practices, you'll gain practical experience that applies directly to your day-to-day projects. Through step-by-step demos and real-world scenarios, you'll learn to build UI test suites with Cypress, simulate real-world traffic using JMeter, also validate logic and prevent regressions with xUnit frameworks. And with interactive exercises, discussion prompts, and hands-on projects, you'll not only learn how these tools work, you'll apply them in realistic Q&A workflows. Ready to build faster, safer, and smarter software? Check out the course details, enroll in open source Q&A, Cypress, JMeter, and xUnit testing on Coursera, and start transforming your approach to software testing today. I look forward to seeing you in our virtual classroom, where we will unlock the full potential of open source Q&A automation together.